Oh, come here. What are you doing right now? Did you already set a budget aside so you can get some liquor, kick it in the club, meet some girls, meet some nice young men? But that's the problem. That fifth of Hennessy can potentially change your life. Come here. Little Jimmy wants to know a few things. All you have to do is solve one of these problems and you'll make a lot of money. Little Jimmy wants to know how to get girls, how to make money, how to eat better. He wants to get healthy. You're not listening. Come here. You just have to solve one of these problems. Pick which one. You need to be the person that branches that gap. You need to be able to take them from A to B to solution. Oh, you can't even see that. Listen. AI. A lot of you are thinking this is going to take you a lot of time. It's going to take you a, 8-week course. No, listen. I want to show you guys how to use your social medias, how to host a product, whether it's your product or someone else's product, and get it live in just a few days. If you're an overachiever, we can get it live as quick as now. All I need for you to do is put that fifth of Hennessy down, put that reefer down just for the night. And if you've seen this on social media, save this video and head over to my page and grab my sneak peek.